Hi, my name is Gabriela Alvarez, and I'm an ambassador from 292. This is for my Gold Award project, which has to do with birds. And my project consisted of helping Benson State Park with their Eagle Pond and helping you guys make your backyard into a bird sanctuary. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a bird feeder with a toilet paper roll, some peanut butter, bird seed, twine, and let's go ahead and get started. You're also going to need a butter knife. First, you want to get your peanut butter and spread it all around the toilet paper roll. After you spread it around, go ahead and put your bird seed, roll it in your bird seed. And after you roll it in your bird seed, go ahead and put your twine through the toilet paper roll. After that, go ahead and tie the two ends together. And there you go. There you have your bird feeder. Thank you so much for watching.